Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Microsoft Store not working in Windows 11. First, restart your computer because temporary system glitches can stop the Microsoft Store from opening properly. Next, check your internet connection and make sure Windows is fully updated. Now, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Microsoft Store, click the three dots, then open Advanced Options. Scroll down and press Repair first. If the issue continues, click Reset to restore the store settings completely. After that, press Windows plus R, type wsreset.exe, and press Enter. A blank command window will appear for a few seconds while Windows clears the Microsoft Store cache automatically. You should also verify that your date, time, and region settings are correct because incorrect settings can prevent the store from connecting to Microsoft servers. Finally, restart your PC and open Microsoft Store again. It should now work normally on your Windows 11 computer. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.